If you're learning to make videos and you just feel overwhelmed, what should I learn next? Where should I start? This video is going to help you like nothing else has ever helped you. Imagine your video creation skills are like this compass. And what you really want to do is point to your true north, creating your dream videos. This can be whatever your goals are. Maybe it's creating beautiful travel vlogs. Maybe it's making short films or doing comedy sketches or creating that documentary. Whatever it is, this is your goal, your true north. And what we all want is for our skills, that's this part right here, we want our skills to point to that true north. We want our skills and our goals to be aligned. Here's the problem. A lot of us don't have our skills aligned with our north. Our skills are kind of like over here, wonky donk on the side. Do me a favor and type in the comments, that's me. If you're comparing your skills where you're at right now with the kind of videos that you want to make, and there is a gap there. All right, that's me in the comments below, okay? For some of us, this gap is really big. Some of us, it's a little bit smaller. But either way, when you get online and you start looking at tutorials, what you're really trying to do is get rid of that gap and move the needle over to your goal so that your skills bring you to your goal. But here's the great, big, ugly problem. Erasing this gap all at once and moving that needle feels like it's impossible, because it is, at least if you do it all at once. This kind of thing does not happen. You don't jump from where you're at to where you want to be instantly. You don't begin basketball and then you're instantly good at basketball. You got to practice, you got to do stuff, you got to improve little by little. See, this learning process is a lot closer to just making that gap smaller and smaller until eventually your skills and your goals are aligned. So how do we learn all the stuff to kind of close that gap without getting overwhelmed? The answer, we focus on one thing at a time. One thing, not 11 billion, one thing at a time. An easy approach to this is just to pick the biggest, most obvious problem. If you have a whole bunch of footage and you don't know how to cut down a whole bunch of footage, well, your first job is to figure out, how do I cut down a whole bunch of footage? That's before you're worrying about graphics. That's before you're worrying about music, any of that extra stuff. That's the one thing you focus on. And then you learn enough to try it out. So if your big thing is, I don't know how to pace my videos so that they feel like they're exciting, go and research how to pace your videos. And you don't need to learn absolutely everything. You just need to learn enough to try it out. Get enough knowledge to be dangerous and to feel like you might be able to jump in and try it. Then practice that one thing. This might mean putting together a video and only focusing on the pacing. Not worrying about what your shots look like, not worrying about the music, not trying to get crazy graphics. You're just focusing on how fast does the video move. And you don't worry about anything else. And then review what you did. This is the part that so many people miss. When you practice something, the learning actually comes from reviewing it. Looking at it and saying, okay, did this actually accomplish what I wanted to accomplish? Is this technique that I used actually effective? Is that one problem that I was trying to fix, is that fixed by what I did? If not, maybe you still need to focus on that one thing, go back and learn, practice it again, and review it again. If it did fix it, well then, that's awesome. You can move on to the next biggest thing. And how you get better is repeating this over and over and over. The way that you don't get overwhelmed is you break this gap between your skills where they are right now and where you want to be into little tiny chunks. You work on the first problem. Maybe it's pacing for your videos. Maybe next you want to focus on audio. Next you're working on J-cuts, and then animation, and then color grades, and framing, and EQ. And before long, you've moved the needle enough to where you're actually making videos that you're proud of. And here's the magical part. Each little piece wasn't actually that hard, and it didn't feel overwhelming because you're not focused on 90 different things. You're just focused on one thing at a time. This is the exact process that we're using in Ground Control Film School. This is our brand new online educational experience. Ground Control Film School is an online community that you can join and you can share your videos. Here's one from our friend Kyle, who's working on making travel vlogs. And one of the first things that happened when Kyle got in here is he got some guidance from me and my team. He jumped on a video call with Dan, who's on our team, and Dan helped him figure out exactly what he needs to focus on first to make the videos that he wants to make. And that's going to help him know what to study first. And he can go look up wisdom in our video courses, which are included in the membership for Ground Control Film School. And so he's going to go and study and learn. And in the courses, we have exercise and homework for him to practice with. And so he can post his homework to the community, and guess what? We review it and give him feedback. And so it's not just up to him to look at his videos, but he has a whole community and a whole team of people who are excited and want to make his videos better with him and help him reach his goals. And from there, Kyle can focus on whatever he needs to do next. And it's kind of this flywheel that focuses on one thing at a time, and guess what happens when you do that? That's why it's so magical. This way of learning, this system works whether you sign up for Ground Control Film School or not. So no matter what, that's what I want you to do. I want you to focus on your true north, your goal, the kind of video that you want to make, and figure out the biggest problem between you and making that goal and attack that. Learn about it, practice it, look at your work objectively, get some feedback, and then focus on the next thing and improve little by little. So if you want some help making the videos that you want to make, the videos that you can be proud of, there's a link in the description to sign up for Ground Control Film School. It's a party, man. It's so much fun. And we're seeing students take these little strides, these little steps, getting closer to their goals every day. And it's exciting, and I want you to be part of it. All right? So click that link down below and let's do it, okay? Because dreams are what we do. I got such a good song in my head, but then I forgot it all.